I just found this new cane on the side of the rail. Very, very sturdy. Sturdier than I thought, but that leads me to my next point. This message in some foreign language, not ever seen before. Of course, we just recently found a decoding message.
As you can see, 1 actually means 2.
1 means 2, 3 means 4, and 5 means 6. And 9 means 11. That's a little suspicious.
So if the X's symbolize crossed ones,
and that means number 2, which only leads to the purpose of the number 2 bathroom is a poop.
and of course 222, they're all coordinates, and where we can find it is Boston.
Boston, Massachusetts, I believe.
It's so far away from here though.
We are on the border of Texas. Massachusetts is mere Massanda's away. Of course, Massanda is 10,000 miles. I could have the math wrong, but I think I'm right. Other than that, this place has just turned into an overgrown forest of poop and dried urine.
We shall travel to Boston
And actually,
when we blow up a train.
The funny thing is, the closest member of our crew to Boston right now is TJ Colestein, who went to the medical center in Birmingham, Alabama. That's the closest we are to Boston, which is still Mastandas away. I'm grabbing my cane and I'm heading out of here. I just realized the whole purpose of everything that we have discussed these past few days. There's only one explanation. A mere 50 years ago, 137 passengers aboard Flight 372 from Mexico City, Mexico to Boston, Massachusetts crashed right here on the Mexican Railway. 50 years ago, they devised a code message. I don't know why they just wrote in English or Spanish or something we could just easily understand, but they wrote in a weird, made-up language, but they left the message decoder. They said in their message they had left a new type of cocaine, more potent and more cost-effective than any in history. They had found it here and they had left it by the debris of the plane. We have been the first people to ever discover what they meant. And now we have our hands on the best, most cost-effective, potent cocaine in the world.
Not yet we don't.
Not yet we don't, really. We have the rocks.
We only discovered the latitude and longitude knowing that it's in Boston. The piles of cocaine, the majority of them.
That's what these people were going for. They were going to Boston to get their hands on it. And our mission is to go to Boston. Of course, we have to go only after we blow up a train. We're still in the process. Hopefully we never die.
New device.
New device as well. That cross is not just a cross. It is also our new detonation main holder thing. It definitely more technologically advanced than the original piece of crap. But yep. That's that. Have a good day. Bye, my friends.
That's it. Yeah, that's a train.
This is the moment. A detonation device here.
The detonation burst.
We got it. Come on, move down.
Get the other one because it's on the other train. I mean back. This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Come on. Detonate.
Doomsday device.
We've destroyed it! It's detonated! The train is no more! Luckily we built that cliff, because without that cliff it would not have worked.
We're going to Boston.
Going to Boston! Do you hear my phone ringing?
Yeah.
Go get it. Hello.
I need you to do something for me.
Again. What is it this time?
I need the new cocaine.
Oh yeah, of course, but it's in Boston.
No. I don't want the Boston cocaine. You need to make it yourself.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Get going.
What is it?
You know the cocaine that we need to get in Boston?
Yes?
Well, the bestatzt who's on the phone with me wants us to make it handmade here, which is almost stacking impossible. Get this camera out of my.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.